me Adam.
Yeah,
that's
wanted me to share that I play Overwatch on like a professional level at university. Brock. I was on varsity last year.
I think that's so cool because like growing up, I was a huge gamer too, and it was very much like they were the gaming nerds, and then they were like the sports jocks, and they like never intersected or they never interacted. And then I'm a fan of weightlifting. I'm still a huge gamer. I don't advertise it very much on this channel, but I am, and it's cool to see that there are other people like that. All right, because we got a guy here who's doing his deadlifts, who's doing his squats, and then absolutely killing it online.